What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on CHIP. Today I will tell you if the current level is in my opinion a good buying opportunity, what are the exact trading setups that I'm currently watching here, and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days, weeks or months. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. If you don't know me, my name is FJ. I've been trading crypto for more than 8 years now, and I am a swing trader, which means that usually I am holding positions for at least couple of days. If you don't know anything about this coin, CHIP is basically associated with USD.AI, and a couple days ago it was launched on Binance and other bigger exchanges, which I think is really good for this coin. Because we are starting today on a 4-hour chart, I need to show you this previous important low, which is currently sitting on the level 0.0545. Right now, this is for us the most important support. The last thing I want to see here is simply breakdown under with resistance confirmation, because you can see under this area on a Binance chart, we don't have any liquidity. So if we are gonna get under with the resistance confirmation, there can be another huge dump. Of course, in this video, I'm not gonna tell you that this coin will hit like 10 or like $100 mark, but I will reveal some, let's say, really achievable prices that I think this coin can hit. And if you, for example, want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching and about all the setups I'm watching there, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. On the 4-hour chart, there are actually two setups that I want to trade if certain conditions are met. You can see, as I said, we have here this previous important low. Under this previous low, there is pretty high liquidity sitting, so there is actually some probability that eventually we are like gonna take that liquidity, and with a fake out, we can use it as a potential long entry. Or if we are not gonna get there and we are gonna break this bearish order block, which is by the way between level 0.0619 and 0.0588, so if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this can be another interesting long opportunity. In this case, stop loss you want to place just under this bearish order block, because if after a breakout and then a support confirmation, we are gonna see breakdown with the resistance confirmation, price is most likely gonna retest this lower area, so there is no point of you like holding this losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit target in this case you can place under this previous important high. So the potential profit here is around like 40% of net market, with a stop loss around 5.1%, which is giving us risk reward ratio up to 7.63. Definitely in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you definitely want to take under this bearish order block, so under the level 0.0655, something like that. Then above this previous important high, around this area of increased liquidity, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So for this 40% move, I would take like 4 take profit targets, something like that, and this will give you really great potential entry. Another potential trade that I said will be valid if we are gonna take liquidity under, which means the market will do something like this, then pull back and then a support confirmation. It's really critical to wait here for that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, because as I said, if we are gonna drop under and there will be resistance confirmation, this coin can drop to like 0.04, 0.03, something like that. There can be like really huge dump. Although I know that the hype about AI right now is really great, and definitely I will be talking about the exact price predictions later in this video, because I actually think this coin can achieve really interesting prices in the upcoming bull market. But if there will be this like liquidity grab with a support confirmation, your exact long position can look like this. So stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. I think stop loss will be probably around 5 to 8% of net market, something like that. Last take profit target you can place on the exact same level. So I am expecting risk reward ratio around 8.9 with multiple take profit targets. Risk reward ratio will be like 6.57, something like that, which is in my opinion again really great potential trading setup. And again guys, if you want to be part of my trading community and you want to get access to all of the setups that I'm currently watching, link to join to my Discord is in the description or in the comments. And let's now answer the main question of this video. Is the current level a great buying opportunity in the long run? And in my opinion, it kinda depends, because from an all-time high we are currently down around like 65 to 58% of net market, which is like kinda insane. insane dump. And also you can see like this dump happened in like, because we are on a 4-hour chart, this dump happened in like 12 days. So there is pretty insane correction right now. But I don't think that this current level is a good buying opportunity, because if you want to buy this coin in the long run, you want to see here either final capitulation, which I think we didn't see yet, or you need to wait here for an increased bullish volume. And for this, you want to see here at least a support confirmation of this or this bearish order block. And I think this bearish order block is kind of better. So if we are gonna see here, let's say a pullback to this previous bearish order block area, breakout support confirmation, then you can actually think here about opening some long-term long position. So there needs to be a pump around like 20-21% of a net market, or we simply need to crash under this previous important low, and we need to get to area where historically we don't have enough liquidity. And if you are a fan of this coin fundamentally, I actually wouldn't be surprised if this support will be let's say broken and we are gonna get under with the resistance confirmation. I think you can be buying this coin for like 0.035, something like that. And this can be in the long run pretty interesting buying opportunity. I know that this coin is like not a scam. It's having like really great community. This coin is having like really, let's say, interesting use case. And of course, Binance are usually not gonna list like complete scams, because these exchanges are simply doing like some due diligence. So there is pretty low probability that this project will be, for example, a rug pull. Of course, there is always some probability, but I simply think that like based on these fundamentals, this can be a pretty solid project. But if you are thinking about adding this coin to your long-term portfolio, I wouldn't do it now. And I would either wait here for some increased bullish volume. So it's like kind of safer for you to buy this coin and you can expect another let's say pump up, or I think you can be buying it for much lower price, because if currently we are seeing here a dump around like 60% in just 12 days, I think this is not going to be a problem to do another, let's say 30-40% of a net markets to the red side. And if, for example, this coin will get to like 0.035, then I will be thinking about adding this to my long-term portfolio. But for now, I don't wanna do it. And let's now take a look to some long-term price prediction. I saw that some YouTube channels were saying that this coin will reach like $100 or like $10, something like that. And this is, in my opinion, complete nonsense. Actually, I will be really surprised if, for example, in the upcoming bull market, this coin will reach $1 mark, which will be from a current level a potential pump around like 1,700% of a net market. In my opinion, there is actually like really small chance that something like this is gonna happen, because this coin is currently like kind of huge market cap. I think it's like 120 something like that in the altcoin market cap. So this is relatively big project. In my opinion, if the alt season will continue, I think we can expect something around 0.2 to like 0.3, something like that, which from a current level, this is giving us a potential profit around 250 to like 330% of a net market. And for example, if you will be buying this after breakout of this bullish order block areas, this will be around like 200 to like 340% of a net market. But in my opinion, this opportunity will be much better if we are actually gonna see here that liquidity grab to that 0.035, because from like these levels, this can be a potential profit around like 500 or like, let's say something around 760%. And this is the exact reason why I want to be buying this coin to my long-term portfolio on like these lower levels. Of course, buying this on like these lower levels always carry some risk. There is definitely some probability that it will go to like complete zero. And that's why if I will be opening here some long-term long position, I will be risking around something like 0.5% to 1% of my long-term trading capital, something like that. So if I will be, for example, risking like 1% and I will do here like 700% net market profit, it still will be really great potential gain. And this is, in my opinion, the right way how to trade small coins like this. So you guys, definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is, for example, the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. And yeah, if you want to be part of my trading community, as I said, link to join to my Discord is in the description or in the comments. So you guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. See ya.